Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm revealing 10 incredible beauty secrets that you might not know about, but they'll change the way you look at skincare forever. These tips are simple, effective, and will leave you glowing from the inside out. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into it. Secret number 1, hydration for glowing skin. Hydration is the foundation of healthy skin. While drinking enough water is key, you can also hydrate your skin naturally. Drinking enough water daily not only keeps your skin plump, but also helps flush out toxins. Aim for 8 glasses a day, and trust me, you'll notice a difference. You can also hydrate your skin from the outside by using a moisturizer that locks in moisture and gives your skin a dewy finish. If you can't afford fancy moisturizers, try aloe vera gel from the plant itself. It's soothing, hydrating, and can be applied directly to your skin for a fresh, glowing look. Another great alternative is rose water. It's super affordable and helps restore moisture while calming your skin. Secret number 2, the power of vitamin C. Vitamin C is amazing for brightening the skin. You want glowing, even-toned skin. Incorporating a vitamin C serum into your routine is a game changer. Not only does it brighten your complexion, but it also helps reduce dark spots and signs of aging. Apply it every morning after your toner for maximum effect. Trust me, you'll see results in no time, but if you don't have access to pricey serums, you can make your own at home. Simply mix orange peel powder with a bit of glycerin and rose water to create a natural vitamin C-rich paste that helps brighten your complexion. You can also make a vitamin C toner by using fresh orange peel water. Just soak the peel in water overnight, strain it, and apply it with a cotton pad to your face. Secret number 3, exfoliate but don't overdo it. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells and reveals smoother, brighter skin. But here's the thing, don't overdo it. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week is enough to give your skin that fresh glow without irritating it. You can choose a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant with AHAs for a more even texture. Component placement. For a gentle, natural scrub, try mixing sugar or coffee grounds with coconut oil. The sugar or coffee will slough off dead skin, while the coconut oil hydrates and nourishes. If you have sensitive skin, use a mild oatmeal scrub by mixing oats with honey and warm water. This exfoliates while being gentle. Secret number 4, face massage for a lifted look. Face massages are incredible for boosting circulation, reduce puffiness, and give you a natural lifted look. You don't need expensive tools like jade rollers. Just use your fingertips to gently massage in upward motions. You'll feel relaxed, and your skin will love you for it. For added benefit, mix castor oil with a few drops of lavender oil for a relaxing and soothing massage. Castor oil helps with skin elasticity, making it a perfect natural oil for face massages. Secret number 5, night skincare routine. Your nighttime skincare routine is when your skin repairs itself. While you sleep, your skin is hard at work regenerating, so make sure you apply your skincare before bed. Use a night cream with ingredients like retinol or hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and to target fine lines. If you don't have expensive night creams, try coconut oil as a moisturizer. It's deeply nourishing and helps repair skin overnight. If you're looking for anti-aging benefits, mix honey with a bit of turmeric for a powerful mask. Honey hydrates while turmeric fights free radicals, leaving you with soft, glowing skin. Secret number 6, sunscreen always. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your routine. Sunscreen is a must. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can damage your skin, causing premature aging and dark spots. Make sunscreen your best friend and apply it daily. I recommend a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 for all-day protection. If you're looking for a natural sunscreen option, you can make one by mixing zinc oxide with coconut oil. Zinc oxide provides protection, and coconut oil keeps your skin moisturized. While this isn't a substitute for commercial sunscreens, it can provide some protection when you're out for short periods of time. Secret number 7, sleep for beautiful skin. Beauty sleep isn't just a saying, it's a real thing. During sleep, your skin works to repair itself, so make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is when your skin rejuvenates. and you'll wake up with a refreshed, youthful glow. You can enhance your beauty sleep with chamomile tea. It's not just calming for your mind, but chamomile is also anti-inflammatory and can reduce skin redness. If you want your skin to look extra refreshed, try sleeping on a silk pillowcase. This helps prevent friction and keeps your skin and hair looking smooth. Secret number 8. Healthy diet equals healthy. A glowing complexion starts from within. What you put in your body shows on your skin. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants like berries, avocados, and leafy greens will give you that radiant glow. If you want to make it even better, drink a DIY green smoothie with spinach, avocado, and almond milk for a glowing look. Don't forget about flax seeds. They're packed with omega-3s that nourish your skin. Healthy fats and proteins also keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Secret number 9. Oil cleansing for clear skin oil. Cleansing is a secret many people don't know about. It's amazing for removing makeup and impurities without stripping your skin of natural oils. Use a gentle oil cleanser to break down makeup and follow with your regular cleanser for a clean, balanced face. If you're on a budget, use olive oil or castor oil. They're both excellent for dissolving makeup without stripping your skin of natural oils. Natural solution. Just massage the oil onto your dry face and then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel soft, clean, and balanced. Secret number 10. Stress-free skin. Stress is one of the biggest causes of breakouts. To help calm your skin, try using a DIY green tea toner. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and use it as a refreshing toner to reduce inflammation and calm your skin. Take time for yourself, whether it's a relaxing bath, yoga, or simply sitting in silence. When you feel good inside, it shows on the outside. Natural solution. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to the green tea for extra anti-acne benefits. So there you have it, 10 natural, affordable beauty secrets that you can easily incorporate into your routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all my latest tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep shining. Bye for now.